ngiyabona ukuthi akuvutha umlilo omabili. Ngifuna ungizwe kahle wena ukaMasibu. Wrong ukuthi athi umama esevumile. Kusho wena wathi ubungalindele.
Ajwayele ukona bapha ukhula lapho.
Kusho wena wathi ubungalindele ukuthi
Hello guys, welcome back to Suddenly F Chenga. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Chengas. Let's talk about the first episode of Umnakwethu eyenziwa ubaba Mseleku kuMzansi Magic 161. Guys, I found it trending on Twitter, so I was like interested. Yeah guys, ubaba Mseleku ke usuke eyocela indoda unkosikazi wayo wokuqala ukuthi ithathe unkosikazi wesibili. So izolo, the 27 years old husband was assisted. The first wife agreed ukuthi umyeni wakhe athathe the second wife, but she is not happy at all guys ukuthi uyalanywa utholwa umfazi wesibili abasezogana naye indoda eyodwa. And yeah guys, she mentioned something that was like umsamsele ukuthi okay, wathi indoda yakhe iyatrabhana kusho ukuthi iyashaya. So you guys know, don't do that. Ningashaya abantu besifazane nizoboshwa nihambe lola legend. So guys, yeah, the second wife expectations was not met. Angazi noma befuna ukuthi amukele ngezandla intofo yini, because phela uzongena emzini womunye unkosikazi manje uzothatha indoda yomunye umuntu. My question to you guys, especially le gender ethanda ukuthatha isithembu, what is the real reason of isithembu guys? Because the husband yesterday said if his wife is sick impilo yakhe niyama because akakwazi ukupheka, akakwazi ukunakela abantwana, akakwazi ukwenza lutho, is like I don't know, ufana nomuntu nje ongakwazi ukwenza lutho. For me ngathi ubaba unga exist vele, but for mina ngicabanga ukuthi beqambela amanga nje unesinye isizathu. So makuthi uyazi ukuthi ke yini vele yenza ukuthi amadoda athanda ukuthatha isithembu, please leave your comment below guys. So a question kankosikazi oqala was that is it possible for the same heart to love different women ngokulinganayo? Like kuyakhonakala ukuthi ngenhliziyo eyodwa wena ndoda ukwazi ukuthatha abafazi abawu5. And enye into ayishilo ukuthi if indoda isithatha umfazi wesibili kupossible ukuthi ingathatha owesithathu, ithatha owesine, ithatha owesihlanu. So guys, yeah, that was umnakwethu yesterday. I for one angisithanda isithembu, angisithandi nje. I for one no, angisithanda isithembu nami because siyakhulumisa la ngikhulele khona emakhaya isithenjini. Mathi ukhuluma isikhuluma kakhulu ukuthi ukhuluma kakhulu ngazi ukuthi wazalwa isithenjini. So isithembu nje angisithandi. So yeah guys, please leave your comment below and share your thoughts ukuthi kahle kahle why amadoda ethanda isithembu kangaka. What is the real reason guys? Because leyo ukuthi ufuna umuntu ozongisiza, no, angifuni ukusizwa, right? Leave your comment below guys and share this till we meet again. I love you so much guys. Bye.